Welcome to John 3:16 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. Go to the thermostat and remove the old thermostat cover. Turn the furnace switch off. Unscrew the old thermostat mounting plate to remove it. Remove the old mounting plate. Mount the backplate. Put wires through the hole in the middle of the backplate for this step. Mount the trim plate. Put wires through the hole in the middle of the trim plate for this step. Align and mark the anchor or screw hole. Use the level on the trim plate as the alignment tool for this process. Remove the trim plate and the back plate. Drill the anchor holes. Install the screw anchors into the holes. Install the back plate and the trim plate. Attach them to the wall using the provided screws. Gently plug your controller into the backplate. Congratulations, that completes the installation. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.